Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Pro Value number SZPR1-WN Premier Series Zinc Die-Cast Bullseye knob. I have one removed here from the packaging. Weighs about 0.085 pound, so about a 1/12 of a pound. Why that may strike you as heavy, maybe it doesn't, but a 1/12 of a pound strikes me as heavy for something so small. Why is it heavy? It's made of zinc. Zinc is a few things. It's heavy, it's inexpensive, and it takes a finish really nice. And it's also a very abundant base material that is mined and available for use to manufacture items from. The WN means weathered nickel. Not satin nickel or antique nickel. It's weathered. It's certainly closer to antique nickel than anything, but it's got a pitch of a darker streak through it, so to speak. Its color shade is darker than it would be otherwise. Overall projection, just holding it upside down, appears to be about 1 1/16. Diameter of the knob looks like it's about 1 1/4. Diameter of the base, about 3/4 inch. It's going to include its typical 832 by 1 inch truss head machine screw for installation in typical 3/4 inch drawer or cabinet fronts or bifold doors, whatever you're installing this down to. Let's switch now to the screen view and let's take a closer look at some supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Here is the item that we are looking at. Let's take a look at some images that we have. There is the packaging, the contents, the knob itself. Calling it a bullseye knob, a reference to the aesthetic of the knob. Profile view, or cross-section, I suppose. The underside, and then your machine screw. Okay, now there is additional information down below. It's a knob, zinc die cast, weathered nickel, includes a screw. These are the sizes and sold as each. When you buy one, we'll ship you one. There's also a link below this video as seen here to the manufacturer's page. From here, we can pull up not only all of the Pro Value products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, there's also a link to the manufacturer's website. This is an extremely outdated resource that has only an extremely limited amount of the ultimate material available. Perhaps when this landing page was created 8 years ago, or 10 years ago, maybe that's everything that Pro Value had. They have more items than this, but nonetheless, the data is here should you want to be able to review it. That appears to be our nickel right there. Premier Series, satin nickel. So our item is literally right here. So the item we're looking at is actually in their site, so good for us. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. In conclusion, this video is just to serve really as visual and dimensional evidence of this knob. I'll also say that Pro Value, almost everything that they do is a zinc-based material, but not everything. There is some brass material in there. I wouldn't hesitate to use their product because it's economical, it's available, and it takes a nice finish. Their brasses look nice, their chromes look nice, their nickels look nice when the base material is zinc. So it's a really great product. You know, dollar for dollar, there is tremendous value built into the entire offering. Any questions on the Pro Value SZPR-1WN or any other Pro Value product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.